The stabbing death of Leon Garcia in the early hours of January 1st has triggered a series of incidents across Belize City that is believed to be related. Garcia's profile is that of a ranking member of the George Street gang. The callousness with which he was attacked and killed by a mob of young men on New Year's Day has resulted in reprisals that have left one man dead and two persons injured in separate occasions. It has also sent the Belize Police Department into overdrive in a desperate attempt to stem the bloodlust.
It is of concern, of course, and reference to the forced murder of Leon Garcia. The incident happened from almost in front of the Hochandanis residence on Marine Parade. That is where the altercation began, and he was pursued until about reaching behind the retreat platform. That is where actually the stabbing happened, the alleged stabbing of Leon Garcia happened.
Since then, a fatal attack has been exacted on a husband and wife couple in the Bilama Phase 2 neighborhood. On Tuesday night, Jermain Vellos and his wife Stephanie came under gunfire as they were making their way inside their home on Doris Bishop Street. The Belizean American laborer wasn't the intended target, but is believed to have been the victim of mistaken identity. Nonetheless, the standing rivalry between Majestic Alley and Victoria Street is once again playing out across the city.
Yes, we are aware of the tension between these two rival gangs, and we are cognizant of the fact that it might be a possibility that it is linked one to the other one.
In response to these violent occurrences, the Gang Suppression Unit descended on the Pickstock and Majestic Alley communities today in one fell swoop. That single, decisive and forceful action has rubbed many in Majestic Alley the wrong way. Residents say that G.S.U raided their homes without as much as knocking or asking.
Tuesday morning, we woke up around 3:34. They come and they start to search from house to house, and they start to take out the young man out of different house. Some of them never want to go because they don't know that will happen, and they start to beat them with the baton. After that, they take someone in a station. After that, they choose their call, and they start to do a search for one in the alley to the next in the alley. Every way possible where they could dig, they find nothing. They proceed and they start to interview the young man, get their names, get their age, get whatever, and they start to take their pictures because you know the police have a phone where they take pictures with, they take their pictures. Up to this morning, they do the same thing. We have 3 different set of police who come in for this morning, 2 Majestic Alley, come do the same thing.
That increased pressure from the law enforcement agency has led to a rounding up of several young men earlier today. They were corralled in the back of a pickup truck and whisked off to the police station.
What we want to know, where have we concerned for as a resident for Majestic Alley, since this young man died New Year's morning, we get a lot of harassed by the police because they come and they harass the young man every minute, every so often. You know, they harass them, they detain 48 after 48. You know, so we ask, yes, we want to help to make them help with the problem, the ongoing problem, but we also don't want them to harass we and the barging of we house.
On Wednesday night, there was another shooting that is said to be linked to the Majestic Alley Victoria Street beef. That incident has left 59-year-old Charles Foreman Sr. injured with a gunshot wound to the face.
This incident happened at Pickstock Street, number 9 Pickstock Street. Yes, we were able to determine that there might be a possibility as the foreman that was involved in this shooting last night might be relative to the other victims that we are being looking at now on the previous murder and family members.
As it stands, police are on high alert for any eventuality, despite ongoing efforts to mediate between the warring parties. Reporting for News 5, I am Isani Cayetano.